The hotel quarantine worker has tested positive to coronavirus in New South Wales, breaking the state's 25-day streak of no new cases. The female employee worked at the Novotel and the Ibis at Darling Harbour in the last week of November. Kenny Heatley is live for us outside the Novotel at Darling Harbour now. Kenny, can you bring us up to speed? All 5 of her family members have tested negative, though.
Yes, that's right, Pete. This is a developing story, and the female worker worked here, we believe, at the Novotel in Darling Harbour. And just a bit further up the road here is the Ibis Hotel, and the female worker also worked there. What we know, as you say, so far this morning is that 5 of her family members have so far tested negative. The female worker, we don't know whether she was security working in these hotels, which have been used for hotel quarantine for return travellers coming in from overseas, or whether she worked in another position, such as a cleaner. But Brad Hazzard, the Health Minister, made this announcement earlier this morning. Here's what we know in terms of the dates. Take a listen.
Health would certainly like anybody who worked at the Ibis. I'll just check the dates. The Ibis Hotel on Friday the 27th, or the Novotel on Saturday the 28th, Sunday the 29th, or Monday the 30th of November, to look out for obviously symptoms and to self-isolate until we've actually managed to get the tests done on them.
Now, this breaks the state's 25-day streak of no locally acquired cases. And the state government yesterday announced a whole easing of restrictions, which really affects the hospitality sector. These large venues can now double their capacity. 100% seating capacity now allowed in stadiums. The outdoor gatherings can go from 50 to 100, and there's allowed to be standing in beer gardens as well. But the state government also said that they're not going to be afraid to quickly wind back this easing of restrictions if there is an outbreak. We'll bring you more on this because the Health Minister is expected to make a formal announcement in a press conference a little bit later this morning. We'll bring you that.